Leopard can't change his spots.
They say a leopard can't change his spots.
Oh, a leopard can't change his spots, and there's... Oh, a leopard can't change his spots, and there's...
Could you tell me what he said? A leopard can't change his spots. Let's suppose your friend promises to behave differently. Maybe someone who always lies says they've changed, or a person known for being rude claims they'll be polite from now on. After some time, they go right back to their old ways. That's when you might shake your head and say, well, a leopard can't change his spots. It means people can't change their true nature or character, even if they try to act differently. The expression comes from the Bible, Jeremiah 13 verse 23, where it says, "Can the Ethiopian change his skin, or the leopard his spots?"
A penny saved is a penny earned.
Saved is a penny earned.
And a penny saved is a penny earned.
A penny saved is a penny earned.
Could you tell me what he said? A penny saved is a penny earned. Just imagine your friend skips buying that extra cup of coffee every morning and saves the money instead. Over time, it adds up, and they realize they've saved a lot just by not spending on little things. That's when you might say, a penny saved is a penny earned. It means saving money is just as valuable as earning it. This old proverb, often attributed to Benjamin Franklin, teaches the importance of financial discipline. It emphasizes that being careful with your spending and saving even small amounts can have the same effect as increasing your income.
A picture paints 1,000 words. A picture paints 1,000 words. A picture paints 1,000 words.
Could you tell me what he said? If a picture paints 1,000 words, hey, then what can I paint? Let's suppose you see a photo of a firefighter coming out of a burning building, holding a rescued baby in his arms. No caption is needed, that image alone tells a story of courage, fear, and relief all at once. That's when someone might say, a picture paints 1,000 words. It means one picture can communicate emotions or ideas far better than a long explanation could.
He'll get a slap on the wrist, nothing more.
Knowing that he'll only get a slap on the wrist.
He'll get a slap on the wrist, nothing more.
Could you tell me what he said? You'll get a slap on the wrist, nothing more. Just imagine an employee missed a small deadline but it didn't cause any real damage. The manager calls them in, gives a brief warning, and sends them back to work. You'd hear, you'll get a slap on the wrist, nothing more. It means a mild punishment or light reprimand rather than a serious penalty. A slap on the wrist is a figurative phrase for a small, symbolic punishment, a warning or brief scolding that doesn't have lasting consequences.
Taste of your own medicine.
For a taste of your own medicine.
How you getting a taste of your own medicine?
For a taste of your own medicine.
Could you tell me what he said? Time for a taste of your own medicine. Just imagine a coworker who's always spreading rumors about others finally finds themselves the target of office gossip. People start talking about them the same way they did to others, and someone smiles and says, time for a taste of your own medicine. It means someone will experience the same negative behavior or consequence they have been giving to others.
It's a toss-up between a new roof. It's a toss-up between a new roof. It's a toss-up between a new roof.
Could you tell me what she said? Well, it's a toss-up between the new roof. Let's suppose you and your family are deciding whether to spend your savings on a new roof or on a vacation. Both options seem equally possible, and no one can really predict which choice will win. Someone might shrug and say, well, it's a toss-up between the new roof and the trip. It means a situation where either result is just as likely, a 50-50 chance.
For actions speak louder than words.
But actions speak louder than words.
But actions speak louder than words.
For actions speak louder than words.
Could you tell me what he said? But actions speak louder than words. Let's suppose your friend keeps promising to help you move but never shows up, while another friend quietly arrives early and helps you pack. That's when you'd say, actions speak louder than words. It means what people do is more important and truthful than what they say.
No need to add fuel to the fire. No need to add fuel to the fire. No need to add fuel to the fire.
Could you tell me what she said? No need to add fuel to the fire. Let's suppose two coworkers are already arguing heatedly, and then someone jumps in with a sarcastic comment that makes things worse. That's when another person might say, hey, no need to add fuel to the fire. It means to make an existing problem or conflict more intense or difficult.
It's the ultimate race against the clock.
Up against the clock now, my love.
It's the ultimate race against the clock.
Could you tell me what he said? It's the ultimate race against the clock. Let's suppose a group of doctors is trying to save a patient's life during surgery, or a team is rushing to finish a project minutes before the deadline. In both cases, time is running out fast, and every second matters. That's when someone might say, it's the ultimate race against the clock. It means trying to finish or achieve something before time runs out.
He's all bark and no bite.
Bark and no bite.
He's all bark and no bite.
Could you tell me what he said? She's all bark and no bite. Let's suppose your neighbor constantly yells at people and threatens to call the cops, but when the situation arises, they never actually take action. You'd say, she's all bark and no bite. It means someone talks a lot or threatens but doesn't take real action. The idiom all bark and no bite comes from dogs that bark loudly but never actually bite.
It's all Greek to me.
It's all Greek to me, Fulbright. It's all Greek to me, Fulbright.
Could you tell me what she said? It's all Greek to me. Let's suppose your friend hands you a complicated contract full of legal terms or a complicated math problem, and you can't understand a single word. You'd shrug and say, it's all Greek to me. It means I don't understand this at all. It's confusing or incomprehensible. The idiom, it's all Greek to me, comes from the idea that the Greek language was unreadable to most Europeans in the Middle Ages.
We're all in the same boat, Tom.
We're all in the same boat. We're all in the same boat.
Could you tell me what he said? We're all in the same boat, Tom. Let's suppose a massive hurricane hits your town, flooding streets and destroying homes. You and your neighbors are stranded, trying to save what you can, and panic is everywhere. You turn to a friend and say, we're all in the same boat. It means everyone is facing the same situation or problem together.
Do they have an axe to grind? Do they have an axe to grind? Do they have an axe to grind?
Could you tell me what he said? Do they have an axe to grind? Let's suppose a coworker keeps criticizing a new policy at work, but it seems unusually personal. Maybe they were passed over for a promotion. You might whisper to a colleague, do they have an axe to grind? It means to have a personal stake, grievance, or hidden motive in a situation. The idiom have an axe to grind originates from the idea of someone sharpening their axe for personal use.
But she was just doing what she thought was best for you. But she was just doing what she thought was best for you. But she was just doing what she thought was best for you.
Could you tell me what he said? But she was just doing what she thought was best for you. Let's suppose a friend secretly arranged a meeting with your boss to help you get a promotion. You were upset at first because you weren't informed, but then someone explains, but she was just doing what she thought was best for you. It means acting with good intentions or trying to help, even if the outcome isn't immediately clear or appreciated.
And when those two fires converge,
They cancel each other out.
The ingredients, they cancel each other out.
and when those two fires converge,
They cancel each other out.
Could you tell me what he said? Let's suppose two friends argue in opposite ways during a debate, one saying yes and the other saying no, and their points completely neutralize each other. You'd say, their arguments cancel each other out. It means two opposing forces, actions, or effects neutralize each other.
Yes, 'tis a little bit muggy, isn't it? Yes, 'tis a little bit muggy, isn't it? Yes, 'tis a little bit muggy, isn't it?
Could you tell me what he said? Yes, it is a little bit muggy, isn't it? Let's suppose someone asks if the weather feels warm outside, and it's slightly uncomfortable but not extreme. You reply, yes, it's a little bit muggy. It's used to describe a small degree, amount, or extent of something. It means slightly, somewhat, or to a small extent.
that's all you care about. That's all you care about. That's all you care about.
Could you tell me what he said? That's all you care about. Let's suppose you're helping a friend plan a surprise party, but they keep focusing only on the decorations and ignore everyone else's needs. You might sigh and say, that's all you care about. It means someone is focused solely on one thing, often selfishly, ignoring other important matters.
Buy that for a second.
Buy that for a second. Buy that for a second. Buy that for a second.
Could you tell me what he said? I don't buy that for a second. Let's suppose someone tells you a wild story, like they caught a huge fish all by themselves, but you know they were exaggerating. You shake your head and say, I don't buy that for a second. It means I don't believe that at all. It's used when you completely doubt or don't believe what someone is saying.
You can't blame yourself for what happened to Deanna. You can't blame yourself for what happened to Deanna. You can't blame yourself for what happened to Deanna.
Could you tell me what he said? You can't blame yourself for what happened to Deanna. Let's suppose a friend accidentally spills coffee on someone else's report, and they feel guilty. You reassure them, saying, you can't blame yourself for what happened to Deanna. It means you are not at fault and should not feel guilty for what happened. It's used when someone feels responsible for something that was actually beyond their control.
If you don't mind me asking.
Why the move, if you don't mind me asking?
If you don't mind me asking.
Could you tell me what she said? If you don't mind me asking, let's suppose you're talking to a coworker, and you're curious about something personal like their salary or relationship, but you don't want to sound rude. You gently say, if you don't mind me asking, how much do you make? It means I hope you're okay with me asking this question. I don't want to intrude or offend you. It's a polite way to introduce a personal or sensitive question. It shows respect for the other person's privacy and gives them the option not to answer. If this video has taught you something new, please like and subscribe.